Welcome to Centum exercise. Okay, so today we continue with the exercise 7.11. Okay, question number 10. Okay, 0 to 5 by 2, 2 log sin x minus log sin 2x dx. So first step, what we have to do? So instead of sin 2x, I am going to replace it with 2 sin x cos x. So let it as I. So this becomes 0 to 5 by 2, 2 log sin x minus log, so 2 sin x cos x dx. So secondly, what I am going to do, okay, log of ABC equals log A plus log B plus log C. So 0 to pi by 2, 2 log sin x minus log 2 plus log sin x plus log cos x, the dx is common. Okay, so 0 to pi by 2, 2 log sin x minus log 2 minus log sin x minus log cos x dx. So what is the next step? So 2 log sin x minus log sin x. Okay, so it becomes log sin x and minus log 2 minus log cos x and dx. So let it as equation 1 and this is I. Okay, so now we are going to use the formula integral 0 to a f of x dx equals integral 0 to a f of a minus x dx. So we are going to use the formula. So I equals 0 to pi by 2 log of sin pi by 2 minus x minus log 2 minus log cos pi by 2 minus x into dx equals 0 to pi by 2. So log sin 90 minus theta is cos theta. So log cos x minus log 2 minus log sin x dx. So let it as equation. Now we add equation 1 and 2. So 1 plus 2 implies, so I plus I 2i equals log cos x minus log cos x got cancelled, minus log sin x log sin x got cancelled. So minus log 2 minus log 2, it becomes minus 2 log 2 dx. So minus 2 log 2 is constant, so I am taking outside. So integral 0 to pi by 2 dx. What's the integral of dx? X. So 2i equals minus 2 log 2 into x, the limit is 0 to pi by 2. So minus 2 log 2 into pi by 2. Lower limit is 0, so leave it. So 2 got cancelled. So 2 into pi, that is minus pi log 2. So I equals minus pi by 2 log 2. So what we got? So I equals minus pi by 2 log 2. So what I am going to do? I am going to apply m log a equals log a power m. In the same way, minus m log a equals log a power minus m equals log 1 by a power m. So I am going to use this concept. So in the same way, what I am doing, pi by 2 I am keeping outside into minus 1, okay, log 2, right? So pi by 2 into log 2 power minus 1 equals pi by 2 log 1 by 2. We discuss the 11th question now. Integral minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 sin square x dx. In an integral function, if we change the sign of x, okay, and the function remains same, it is called as even function. And if you change the sign of x, the function becomes negative, then it is called an odd function. In case of even function, it becomes 2 times 0 to pi by 2 sin square x dx. In case of if it is odd function, it becomes 0. Okay, let us check whether it is odd function or even function. Okay, so instead of x, we substitute minus x. So sin square minus x equals sin of minus x whole square. So sin of minus theta is minus sin theta. So square of a minus term is plus term. So it is sin square x. So sin square of minus x becomes sin square x. Okay, the function didn't change. So it is an even function. Then the limit can be changed as 0 to pi by 2. Okay, 2 times sin square x dx. We know a formula for sin square x. Okay, from cos 2x. Cos 2x equals 1 minus 2 sin square x. So 2 sin square x equals 1 minus cos 2x. So what we got? 2 sin square x we got. Okay, so instead of 2 sin square x, we can use 1 minus cos 2x. So this one I am writing as integral 2 sin square x dx 0 to pi by 2. Okay, so 2 sin square x is replaced by 1 minus cos 2x. So 0 to pi by 2, 1 minus cos 2x dx. Okay, so this can be written as 0 to pi by 2, okay, dx minus 0 to pi by 2 cos 2x dx, right? So dx it is x 0 to pi by 2 minus, what is the integral of cos 2x? Sin 2x by 2. So sin 2x by 2 0 to pi by 2. So this first function becomes pi by 2 minus sin 2x. Instead of x, if you substitute pi by 2, what will happen? Sin 2 into pi by 2 becomes sin pi. What is sin pi? 0. So upper limit becomes 0 minus lower limit sin 0 0. So what we got? We get only pi by 2. 12th question, 0 to pi x by 1 plus sin x dx. So again we are going to use the formula integral 0 to a f of x dx equals integral 0 to a f of a minus x dx. Okay, so what is the upper limit? Pi. So I let it as I, and 0 to pi minus x dx by 1 plus sin of pi minus x. So which equals 0 to pi x dx by 1 plus, what is sin pi minus theta? What is sin 180 minus theta? Sin theta. So it becomes sin x. Okay, so let it as equation 2 and let it as equation 1. So now we are going to add equation 1 and 2. Okay, so 1 plus 2 implies 2i equals integral 0 to pi. Okay, so here x dx, here pi minus x. So x plus pi minus x into dx by, it remains same. So equals x got cancelled. So 0 to pi dx by 1 plus sin x. So now we are going to multiply with the conjugate. Okay, what is the conjugate of 1 plus sin x? 1 minus sin x. So 0 to pi into 1 minus sin x by sin x into 1 minus sin x is 1 minus sin square x. 1 minus sin square is cos square x. Okay, so directly I am writing cos square x. Okay, so pi I am keeping outside. 0 to pi 1 by cos square x minus sin x by cos square x dx. Okay, so pi into 0 to pi 1 by cos square x is secant square x minus sin x by cos square x. I am splitting this into sin x by cos x, which is tan x. Then 1 cos x is remaining in the denominator. So 1 by cos x is secant x. So What is the integration of secant square x? What is the integration of secant x tan x? Secant x 0 to pi. So pi into tan pi minus secant pi minus lower limit is tan 0 minus secant 0. Right? Pi into what is tan pi? Sin pi by cos pi. What is sin pi? 0. So the first part becomes 0 minus secant pi. Secant pi is 1 by cos pi. Cos pi is minus 1. So minus of minus 1. Okay. Then minus tan 0 is 0 minus of secant 0 is 1 by cos 0, it is 1. So pi remains outside, minus of minus 1 plus 1, then it is 0, here minus 1. Okay. So pi into 1 minus of minus is plus, so it becomes 2 pi. So 2i equals 2 pi. So I becomes